Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8th. Dear students, as we know that we cannot measure the distance of stars from the earth by using any unit of measure. As you know that the stars are very far away from earth. That is why if a light that travels with a speed of 3 into 10 raised to 5 kilometers per second, which set will take us millions of years to reach the earth. So just imagine a light traveling at a speed of 3 into 10 raised to power 5 kilometers per second, taking millions of years to reach the earth. So guess how much the stars are away from the earth. So that is why we use a measuring unit that is called as light year. We measure the distance of stars from the sun in terms of the light year. So light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year at a speed of 3 into 10 raised to 5 kilometers per second. So 1 light year is equal to 9.46 in 10 raised to power 12 kilometers. Now another question that we have to discuss is how far is the nearest star Alpha Centauri from the earth in kilometers. Dear students, as you know, the nearest star is the sun. After the sun, the second nearest star is Alpha Centauri. So we have to calculate how much is Alpha Centauri away from the earth in kilometers. Dear students, as you know, Alpha Centauri is at a distance of 4.3 light years. So 1 light year is equal to 4.96 into 10 raised to power 12 kilometers. Alpha Centauri is at a distance of 4.3 light years. Therefore, distance in kilometers is equal to distance traveled in 1 light year into number of light years. And that is, on calculating, it is 9.46 into 10 raised to power 12 kilometers per light year into 4.3 light years. That comes out to be 40.678 into 10 raised to power 12 kilometers is the distance of Alpha Centauri from the earth. Alpha Centauri is the nearest star to earth after sun. So dear students, simply you will remember that Alpha Centauri is a distance of 4.3 light years. 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power 12 kilometers. When it is multiplied by 4.3, light years comes out to be 40.678 into 10 to the power 12 kilometers is the distance of Alpha Centauri from the earth. So another question that we study in this unit: why do the stars appear to us like point objects? So हमें ये तारे क्यों बहुत छोटे लगते हैं, पॉइंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स क्यों दिखाई देते हैं? क्योंकि इसका ये वजह है कि स्टार्स हमसे बहुत दूर हैं. आपको खुद मालूम है कि एक लाइट ईयर कितनी डिस्टेंस है, तो फिर आपको अंदाज़ा करना है कि ये ऑब्जेक्ट्स कितने, ये नियरेस्ट अल्फ़ा सेंचुरी कितनी दूर है हमसे. ये इतने किलोमीटर्स दूर है, 40.67 इंटर. आप खुद अंदाज़ा कीजिए कि जो बाकी स्टार्स होंगे जो अल्फ़ा सेंचुरी से भी दूर होंगे, तो वो कितने, वो हमें क्यों पॉइंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिखाई देंगे. यही वजह है इसका, क्योंकि वो स्टार्स हमसे बहुत दूर होते हैं. सो द स्टार्स such like our sun are celestial bodies which continuously emit heat and light. Our sun is medium-sized star. It appears bigger to us because it is nearest to earth. So sun appears bigger to us because it is nearest to earth. The stars appear to us like point objects because they are very far away from earth. Most of the stars are so much far away that light from takes millions of years to reach the earth. So dear students, as you know that these stars, they are very far away from us. It is said that some of the stars are very far away that their light takes millions of years to reach the Earth. That is why these stars appear to be like point objects. So, dear students, these two questions you will remember today and stay connected.